doing terrible. I didn't wake up to about 7:30, 8 o'clock this morning. I've been up and down most of the night. Got the flu, but I've been taking Tamiflu, so it's been working pretty well. So I woke up to a text message from the boss going, hey, do you think you can work today? And Charlie, our other CDL driver, is leaving for vacation. And I'm like, man, I kind of have to. You know, like, I don't have much of a choice here. I really need to come into work because I'm really going to be about it. Unless the boss is going to come out there. And then, like, he would have to leave his truck behind and blah, blah, blah. Like, it just would have been a bunch of hassles. So even though I'm not feeling great, I am feeling well enough to be able to do enough work today to be helpful. Hell, I didn't even put boots on. My back's out, my muscles are sore, my joints are sore and swollen and stuff. So I didn't want to bend over and put my boots on, so I just put on my house shoes and just like, yeah, I'm not doing anything too special, but semi-good spirits. I'm happy to be here for the guys. I'm happy to help out. I didn't want to just leave them hanging, especially with them not having a CDL driver. They have no way to haul this concrete off and then bring dirt back now. So it really would have screwed things up. So luckily, I started taking Tamiflu 2 days ago, and it's worked very well for me, at least. And I can come in and help. So I'm about to make the interchange. I'm headed out to the concrete dump site, which is a off dump site. They're backfilling the area, and you can dump clean concrete with rebar, asphalt, dirt, and then if the dirt is mixed with organics, it's okay, but it can't be any like trees or anything like that. Those go to one of those municipalities, can't say that word, dump site, and they shred it and burn it and all that kind of stuff. But you can probably hear it. I hate my voice, and I hate my voice on video. It sounds real nasally, but it's even worse today because my face is all swollen. My nose is all messed up. My throat hurts. My sinuses hurt. It's the flu. It's not fun. But I gotta be pretty damn sick to not work. Hell, I was showing the boss earlier when we pulled up the stoplight. It's like, see all that on the ground? I was like, yeah. I'm like, I puked. I was sitting at the stoplight and puked and just opened the door and puked onto the ground. He's like, ew. I'm like, hey, I lasted as long as I could yesterday, and I meant it. I went all the way to the point where I started throwing up. And then just got to the point where I couldn't stop from throwing up. And I just figured now it's time to just go home. Try and get some sleep, try and get some fluids down, try and do all that. But, today's just, so-so. Going over these bumps on this bridge, my back is killing me. Joints are all sore, my knees hurt. Flu sucks. But hey, I'm not real sick. Tamiflu helped out a lot, so, you know, at least there's that. So, yeah, today is gonna be fun. We'll see how it develops. We're almost done. A couple loads of concrete out, a couple loads of backfill dirt back in, and I think we'll be ready to go. Be done with this demo. Move on to the next project. That's super cool. It's an old GMC motorhome, and they're pulling a Corvair on a trailer. They've got a Labrador on the back on the bed. Love these motorhomes. Super cool. Love to have one. Some of the cool stuff you see when you're out here driving. Headed to go get the last load of dirt real quick. Just passing over the river, South Little Rock. And then I'm grabbing one more load for the project. Then we're loading up the 315 on the Pintle and headed back to town. Sounds like I gotta move some equipment over the weekend. We'll see how it goes. I'm starting to feel like crap again. My nose is all plugged and stuffed. face hurts, sinus pressure. I'm taking some Dayquil and stuff as best as I can to keep up with it. Haven't videoed at all. Didn't see much of a point. I'm just doing this. Just driving around, hauling concrete off, and then I'm bringing sand back. And those guys are getting bored because it's taking me so long to make a turn. I just want to go home, go get some more sleep. I was up and down all night and I really didn't sleep super great. I probably should have just told them no and took the day off, but they really needed me, so I decided to do it. I'm stuffed up. I'm sure you can hear it. It probably sounds like that. And I'm not too far from where we pick up our topsoil from. And hopefully we can load up and get out of here. Well, the quote of the day today, let's see. Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. Albert Einstein. The month after Albert Einstein's death on April of 1955, an interview with famed scientists appeared in Life magazine. And a journalist, I had to click on it here. And a journalist and editor of the magazine, William Miller, had stopped by Einstein's home a few months earlier with his son Pat in tow. Pat wondered what life advice Einstein had to share, and the scientist responded with this piece of advice. It's more fulfilling to give as much as you can, become a person of value, than take what you can to become a person of success. Try not to become a person of success, but rather try to become a person of value. Rather like that one. It's a good one. I'm waiting over here to get loaded. The guy went home, but I called him, and he was at his kid's school, and he said he can come back and give me one more. He's going to be down all next week anyways, so we can't even get more dirt from him next week. So he's like, I'll just run back over there and get one more. Oh man, my face hurts, my sinuses right here. That's why I keep kicking my hat up, pressing on my sinuses right here, and all in here, my eyes. I'm stuffed up. It's been a little rough. Hey, he's here. So get one more load and go on back. They're packed up and leaving this job. They're getting in their trucks. Oh, I should probably show what this looks like now. Came out rather well. This is after. My voice is shot, by the way. No house, no nothing. Front door used to be right here. It's just one big empty area, seated and strawed, ready to go. Now we can head home. We're done with this job. Move on to the next one on Monday. My voice is shot, my lungs hurt, sinuses hurt. I'm ready to go home. We got traffic because it's like 5 o'clock, I think. So we'll have an interesting ride home, to say the least. Oh, get back in this truck. And we are out of here. That red Mustang up there, the traffic's all backed up on the freeway. And those guys are trying to back up the on-ramp because they don't want to sit in all the traffic. And they're really crappy drivers. Oh, that person just ran a red light. What an idiot. He's not a good driver on top of it. He could have done that way faster and smoother, but he didn't. And then the old people just straight up ran that red light. That light was green for us. The old people in that truck just blew right through it. Go figure. Well, Stopped off at Hardee's, grabbed some dinner real quick. Didn't get anything too terribly special. I wanted to be a little bit careful what I'm eating, but I'm hungry enough. I don't want Ashley cooking. I just said the hell with it. I'm either gonna end up not holding it all down, or it'll be just fine. I don't get fast food, but once a week, maybe. Usually it's once every other week or so. We'll, go to Freddy's or something like that. I try and steer clear of it. We tend to cook every one of our meals, which I greatly prefer. They taste better. Just that alone. Not even the health thing. I'm kind of fat. I'm totally out of shape. I'll get winded having a slight jog up one flight of stairs. I just don't like the way it tastes. Never have. Most of the barbecue joints around here are just okay. They're so expensive. I can cook substantially better than the barbecue joints around here because I'm cooking for myself. I know what I like. I know how to cook everything. I've been on barbecue teams back when I lived in Santa Maria. I'm plugged up, my nose, my sinuses. So I think I can cook better than all the restaurants around here. Not that they're bad, I can do better. I got more time to sit and babysit a brisket for 17 hours at the perfect temperature and, season it just right and take all the care to just do one, where all these other guys are having to do, 50 in a day. Or they're really good, but just too expensive. So, Hardee's it is for tonight. I'm kind of going over here by Walmart. A couple turns away and I'll be home. And then I'm going to try and get as much sleep as possible tonight and go and move some equipment tomorrow, I think. I'm not really sure how all that's going to go quite yet, but I'm hoping we can get all that stuff done. Have a day of rest on Sunday. Maybe go fishing. We'll see. I need to go take that other Tamiflu pill. Man, there's a really cool hot rod sitting over here at this gas station. Reminds me a lot of... I can't remember the movie. Street racing movie. It took place in Modesto. He had a yellow hot rod that was really fast. Probably not even going to be able to see it. But it's that one. Man, I wish I could remember that movie. It's one of the most famous car movies ever. And I'm just completely blanking. I'm way too tired right now for all this. Walmart pickup's finally up and going. I'm way too tired for all this. The flu, even though I didn't get it that bad and the Tamiflu is really working, it's still kicking my ass. Oh man, I feel like I just got bit by something. Oh, that hurt all of a sudden. It's like it just bit me or stung me or whatever. Right on my back. But, getting sidetracked. It's like shiny car. Hey, look. But I'm almost home. Eat, get some rest, have a shower maybe, play with the dogs, and try and get a bunch of sleep tonight, tomorrow. Try not to do too much too early tomorrow morning. And see if I can kick this cold a little bit better. The Tamiflu is great stuff, man. It really is. I swear by it now. Wish I could, take it right at the day before I get the flu every single time. It's really nice. Luckily enough, Ashley got tested, knew she has the flu. They gave her it, so then I was able to start taking some right away. The second I started having symptoms, and it's really kicked its ass. So, we'll eat, go to bed, and then hopefully have a nice easy day tomorrow. See if I can get over this little bit of flu that I do got as quickly as possible. I'm probably just rambling. I cannot really have my thoughts about me. I'm a little out of it. Can't quite think straight. You know, I'm just fuzzy. I don't know a great word for it. Yesterday I tried to describe it as, you know, if you could feel anything off of one beer, it's what I would feel like. I'm just slightly out of it, and slightly, like, I don't even know what the word is. Fuzzy. Just, I don't know any other way to describe it. But we'll call it a night. See you guys tomorrow.